Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And for this YouTube episode, I did announce that I was gonna make this YouTube episode, but I really needed one, which is a laptop for editing my YouTube episodes and for DJing and making music, because the one that I have is kind of old. And so I was out on the town and I happened to be at next to Best Buy, so I went there and I was looking and shopping around and I saw one that they told me that was really good. It's this one. Let's get one of the unboxing so I can show you. Supposedly the guy at Best Buy told me that this laptop, when he checked out the specs on the display laptop that was on display, he told me, oh, it has insane amount of RAM of memory. So I was like, it's an ASUS. And it has, I don't know if you can see the specs there, but it has ID color. It's a light gray, but it's like a metallic, kind of like a really cool steel metallic chrome looking finish, kind of like a Chromebook or like a MacBook Pro. It has, it's a 14 inch though. It's also a 14 inch. It's, yeah, full HD. It bends all the way back, supposedly. And the VRAM is 2 gigs. And the CPU is an AMD Ryzen 5. I was going to go for the Ryzen 7 and a better laptop, but most of the laptops were sold out and I didn't want to wait, so I really needed one right away for the stuff I do and for my YouTube unboxings. And yes, this is a Ryzen 5, but he says this one's better than the Ryzen 7 that I was going to buy because the Ryzen 7, they just didn't have it. Everything was sold out besides some of them. But he said that this one's better just because the RAM was insanely powerful. And this one has 8 gigs of RAM, but it's really good RAM, he said. It's like he was like looking at it like, wow, has really good RAM. The hard drive is a solid state drive of 256 gigs of solid state drive. And it has an ODD. There's the 8 gigs it claims. It has Wi-Fi. Oh, it does Wi-Fi 6. Cool. It has USB 2.0 plus USB 3.2A and USB 3.2C. The OS type is Windows 10. It's a 64-bit operating system. Language US, obviously because we're in the US here, because I'm in Miami. It has a power cord and the accessory 3-cell battery, which is 50 watts. But the funny thing is, I was reading, I believe it was this one because I saw many laptops. This one has turbo charge where it charges the laptop battery really fast. But anyways, let's unbox it and see what it brings, guys. Oh yeah, and just to let you know, I also got this laptop bag from Targus. It has a lot of good pockets. It's very compact. I'm going to be selling on OfferUp my older bag because it's too bulky and big. And I found that this one for $29 was actually good. Alright, back to the unboxing. Whoa, check that out. That's legit right there. That's like literally super cool. Oh my god, this is like the coolest. Alright, just checking there's nothing back there. It's like a 3D cutout or something. Over here on the side. Okay. Here on the side. Wow. Wow. This is nice. It's a small little power brick. I've never had ASUS before. But this is nice. Oh, look, it even has a cable strap. Everything's organized. Yay. There's the cable strap. The power brick has a handle. In search of incredible. Supposedly this is one of the best laptops, I guess, in the market. I wasn't really looking for ASUS. I was looking for HP or Lenovo. But yeah. And I guess this is in another language. And then these would be like safety handbook guides and stuff. And this is like a congratulations on your ASUS product purchase. So you get like download the latest drivers and software, receive general production information, browse user's guide, register your product with ASUS. Just checking to make sure there's nothing inside here that would and what y'all been waiting for. Look at this sleek design. Here's your USB ports, your SD slot, your headphone jack, which is also a microphone jack as well. It's a 2-in-1. Nowadays they do that. Sadly, I was looking for one that had a disk drive, but there isn't any laptops with disk drives anymore. Here's another USB port. Here's the power, HDMI, and SSD port. As you can see. Oh, an Nvidia graphics card. And it says Alexa enabled. That's pretty cool. See the material, guys? ASUS ZenBook. And well, guys, that was this unboxing of the ASUS laptop for my DJing and YouTube unboxing, video editings, and my music production. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys, and maybe you'll probably get something similar like this or this laptop from ASUS or whatever company that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.